guys, this is Richard from Just Online presenting with a new video on how to import your accounting entries. So as we've seen previously, we've seen how to create an account and how to create an audit folder. So this is the next video. So as you can see, we're in an audit folder here that's been created. Here's our auditor's approach, our 5 steps on the left hand side. So to import our accounting entries, we just click on step 2, deploy step 2, then we go to accounting data, and then we select import accounting entries. So here's our page to browse. So if you're working from Ireland or the UK, this button will be in English because you'll be using an English server, so it will be browse. So just click here, then I go to my desktop, select my balance. Here it is, there it is. So I go to next. So it's uploading my file and preparing everything. And here we are. So now what we do is the mapping. So what I've got here, I've got the general account number, which is the first column, which was highlighted in green. Then the next column is the designation, so that's 2. And then 3 is debit and 4 is credit. So here we are, and then 4, column 4 is credit. So those are the ones we need because this is a trial balance that I'm importing. So I just go down to the next step. Now this is if we want to import a chart of accounts. I haven't got one for this video, but we can import one and it will do the rest of the mapping itself. So just for this, we're just going to go to skip. So here we are. So I'm just going to click on generate trial balance. And here we are. Our balance has been imported successfully. And as you can see, it is perfectly balanced. So there we are. So that's all for this video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.